welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download how you can upload video on YouTube. Okay, this is very simple and basic process. Okay, so now first you need to open YouTube, and you need to go to your channel. Okay, now this is your channel's open page, and now you need as you can see on the top, create, or if you can't find it, then you can go to your dashboard, your YouTube Studios dashboard. Okay, you click on like this on YouTube Studios okay, if you click on YouTube Studio, it will open like this, and you can see in here upload video or go live, and in here create there is upload video, go live. Okay, so now if you now click on upload video, so I'll click from here. Both the ways anyway is perfect only, and now you need to select the file, so you can drag and drop also. So I'm just choosing my intro file which I yesterday uploaded, intro file, so it's already uploaded, it's okay. Now you need to put your title. Okay, so now here you need to put your title. Okay, and here this is your description box, you can put anything. For title I'll put my so it's very basic. And description you can put if you have some links or you want to say something to your friend. And this is your thumbnail. So if you want to edit your thumbnails, the link of that is on the I button. Okay, and for that the link is in description. Like that I said, you can upload some video link if you want it. So I don't I choose some thumbnails from my pictures and just downloads. This thing I choose, and now it's playlist. Okay, so you need to make a playlist. If you don't have it, it's okay. You can come to this playlist corner, click it, and click on new playlist. That will basically, you need to title and visibility. If you are making a YouTube thumbnail, you can YouTube thing like that. Okay, so I'm not uploading this video, it's just showing you how you can do it. Okay, now this main comes audience thing. Okay, audience part. Now this is the main thing for you guys, it's for all. So if you put yes, it's made for kids, only kids can, means adults and kids both can watch it, but adults and kids both can watch this. Okay, but if you put no, it's not made for kids, it's kids, but only difference between this yes and no is that comments. So in yes, comments will be turned off, but in no, comments will be on. So I always do no, but my videos are always made for kids. Means it can be used for kids and adults both, but I am doing it no because for comments. Okay, both can watch it, kids and adults, my video. Now this comes the main age restriction. This is advanced, little advanced. If I choose no, now it will ask, do you want to restrict your video to adults audience? So if I type no, no difference, but if you type yes, then above over 18 will be restricted to watch your video, and in your description one thing will come that age restriction 18 like that. So I always do is to know. Okay, and paid promotion. If your video is sponsored by someone or third party like that, you need to put paid promotion. Okay, I'm not sure of copyright or not, but I'm really not sure, but still. Okay, and tags, I'll give you a little bit description for tags. It's called rapid tags. I use that thing for tags. Tags are how to upload video. And basically don't even try to touch this. So it should be on standard YouTube license. I don't know much about that. Just if you want to learn more about it, license and distribution, or I don't know about this name. So just don't even touch this full area, and this is not permission. And category. So my I must upload name is now editing. So for editing you can use explain and for editing like how to like tutorial video. How to type station both. Okay. And this comes to comment and rating. So next. These are the video elements. These are the subtitles, add and screen. The end screen is like at the end you get option you can subscribe that at the end it's name end screen and hard. I say you more about type first end screen are the main for your video because at the end they select if they want to watch more videos so they go and click it. And if you go to select one option also you can put subscribe button. If you want to subscribe to that, then you end screen search, then you can click on it and subscribe button. And now let's go to card. Cards are the I button. My button is upload and if they want to about the camera. Now I button is thumbnail editor. Okay. So let's click on next because see these will only give you access when the video is uploaded. Okay, those won't give you before I do. Okay, and let's come on checks. Checks are newly added on YouTube. Okay, it checks copyrights because like sudden video gets uploaded and copyright comes, so it will like before itself YouTube checks that if you have a copyright, just remove that content and change it. Okay. So these are the copyright and these are very good. Recently it's added and it's helping me. Like sometimes 1-2 times I got copyright, but now I never get copyright when this was added. Okay, this is very helpful. And now let's come to visibility. So there are two private only to whom you send the video link. Like this is a link. So URL who you send that person can only watch it. And unlisted anyone with the video link can watch your video. It's also like that only. Public or everyone can watch it full world. And let's come to instant premiere. Like it's live stream. It's like a live stream, but it's not a like as it gets uploaded, it will premiere like live only. You can go back also, but it's like and you can schedule it when you want to upload it. It's like if I want to upload the video tomorrow or today, like it's now the time is 16:18. So if I want to upload it 17 like that. Then just click on publish, and if you click on publish, like the screen will appear for you. Okay. So if you want to cancel it, you can just click on cancel, and it will give you cancel for any details you added to your video. Okay. So that's the base. I don't want to upload this video. Okay, so that's the basic video how you can upload it. It's very very simple and easy to upload it. Now next let's get turn to live. So for live, when you create a YouTube channel, after 48 hours, I don't know, 48 hours only. 48 hours you can only stream. Okay. Just click on go live. After 48 hours, just click on go live and the screen will appear for PC. I'm not sure about mobile. Mobile also is there, but in that you need a specific count of subscribers. Then now maybe about 3 mobile community. So this is the control room. Okay. So maybe some new things have been added in this idea. And tomorrow guys, I think I'm going to do a big stream of my pet wash. I'm not sure. The stream settings will go one by one. We'll go to schedule. now you need to go to your Unity Studio or dashboard, both, and then you need to click on go live, or you can click on your go live. I'm going to click that the screen will appear, and you need to click on it. So I have already seen you need to create new, but if you haven't seen for like really things like this, screen will appear for you, and then you need to put a title, you need to visibility and description and the category and the date and time. This is the main policy, right? But what time you're streaming, that time only on your to your viewers will get, and they will be waiting for it. So this is the thumbnail, as I said. You just click on it and you can click on it. And this is the audience. Go down and then you can click on create. Okay, that's so simple. And if you have any you need to start a live stream code for that, the video link in the description plus in the I button plus in the end screen. Okay, so in stream I don't know that okay, so for encoders also we link in the and then end screen. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned how to read and for my recent videos, link would be end screen and I button, etc. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like this video, share this content, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get my latest updates. Thanks for watching. Boom.